Dije, oye, ¿por qué no uso la manito? Porque la mesa esta hay que estar así, o sea, 2 más 2.
Como profesor.
¡Qué campeón!
Dale por la pasarela.
¿Qué pasa? No. I was born ready, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to What's on the Table. ¿Puedes pasar por acá? Sí muelo. Voy. Hi guys, welcome back to What's on the Table. I'm Diego, and today we're gonna talk about a little bit of our bushing kits. By the way, we manufacture these bushing kits ourselves. Basic presentation of bushing kits usually comes in a bag, plastic bag. But here at GFX, we have gone the extra mile, and we have developed these plastic boxes that kind of secures the quality of the bushing kits and also gives it a better presentation itself. Okay, this one here we have the bushing kit 1945, 1950, 8F35. This belongs to a Ford vehicle. We have the complete set available. So 14 pieces and it runs 2018 and up. Second, we have the Ford 19301. It's a bushing kit 8L45E, 7 pieces. That's also GM and that's 2015 and on. Third one, we have the 34330. It's an 09G Volkswagen, 4 pieces. The inside is bronze. We have available a GFX. This is a very popular one, by the way. This one is a 408301. It's 11 pieces, very popular 6080, 6090 GM. We have the pump bushing. We have also the stator bushing. We have the output and we have the rear. Like I said, very popular. Sacan este hombre de aquí, por favor. Hey, seguridad.
Mention the Teflon. It's really important.
Oye, me ha dado una idea. Este hombre debería hacer videos también. Mira la carita que tiene ahí. Se lo voy a decir a Fanny. These last 4 are some of our older models. For example, this one right here is a Ford XODE, our part number 46330. 16 pieces. Chrysler 62 TE bushing kits, 9 pieces, 2008 and up. For the ZF lovers, we have the ZF 6HP19, also 6HP21, 2004 up. It's 13 pieces. And last but not least, Ford, we have the 4R70W, 14 pieces, 94 and on. Also, I would like to mention that we have this beautiful catalog from GFX. It's a bushing kit, also loose bushings. It gives you the year, number of pieces, the industry number, and our GFX number. If you don't have this, please request it to your salesperson. Thank you. ¿Puedes pasar por acá? Sí, pero con cuidado que está...
Modera, caramba, que te están grabando. Para que salgas ahí.
Sí, modelo. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach to us at sales@gfxcorp.com. Also, give us a like and subscribe. And let us know what other videos you would like us to promote. And thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.